technical rapids we have out here to offer on the whole river gorge, styling down, making the double Z move, zigzagging all the way, zippity-zoo, zop, zippity-zop. I got one more left in the bag for us today. That's right, it is the destination of Fayette Station. And there she blows, the rusty rainbow. That's right, folks. That means that our last trap of the day can be located under the New River Gorge Bridge, 876 feet tall. That's right. Scientists have actually proven that it takes a whole lot of metal to build that bridge, guys. That's right. And our last rapid is right here, Fayette Station. A nice class 3A diddle right down the middle all the way home down that big wave train right there, folks. You want to look out for some of these rocks sticking up on each side of the river, guys, and you'll be a-okay. Let's see how you guys do here. Last rapid of the day, Fayette Station. Folks, that was destination Fayette Station, the location of your recreation on your whitewater vacation, one of the best in the nation. Enough rambling on, let's get on under that rusty rainbow, head on to the buses and get back to base camp. We'll see you guys there. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for today's New River adventure. I hope you had a good time today as I did. If you didn't, there could be something wrong with you. But hey, if you decide you like this whitewater stuff, come on, check out the Gully River in the fall time. That's right, the upper gully's got 5 big class 5s, the lower gully's a whole nother big step up from this. I know you guys will love it. Hey, if you decided you didn't like this whitewater stuff, well, it's okay. We got many other activities here at Red Ace Adventure Resort for you. We got paintballing, zip lining, ATVing, mountain biking, goat tossing, cow tipping, anything you want to do, we can pretty much make it happen, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys again here soon for your next outdoor adventure with me here at Ace. And I'm gonna leave you what my mama always told me: never pee into the wind, never fry bacon naked, but most importantly, always do more whitewater. Woo!